Patrick Miller. I'm an Episcopal in Texas, and I'm sending greetings to my brothers and sisters and in Turkey, especially my Muslim brothers and sisters. I have served on the Interfaith Ministry Board here in Houston, Texas, and continue to be amazed at the many similarities in the way that Muslims and Christians worship God. I am always pleased to welcome Muslim worshipers into our sanctuary, and I've always been be with and witness the prayers of my Muslim brothers and sisters, especially on a trip to Turkey. We live in an ever-increasing small world, and as that world gets, we need to stand to reach out to each other with a sense of generosity, hospitality, and love. And I believe that the of Jesus and the of the prophet to that. And so I am honored to say hello to you and honored to be a part of this interview. At Channel A9, as you continue broadcast ministry of your own to reach out to the folks in Istanbul, I wish you great success. A9.